The science of morning workouts is a fascinating topic that has been the subject of much research in recent years. Studies have shown that exercising in the morning can have a wide range of benefits for your health. One of the main benefits of morning workouts is that they can help regulate your body's sleep-wake cycle, which is also known as your circadian rhythm. When you exercise in the morning, you are essentially sending a signal to your body that it's time to wake up and start the day. This can help you feel more alert and energized throughout the day, and also make it easier to fall asleep at night. Another benefit of morning workouts is that they can help improve your overall cardiovascular health. Exercise is known to increase heart rate, which in turn can help to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Additionally, morning exercise can also help to improve your lung function, which can make it easier to breathe throughout the day. Morning workouts can also be beneficial for weight loss and overall health. Exercise is known to burn calories, which can help to reduce body fat and improve muscle mass. This can lead to weight loss and also improve overall health by reducing the risk of obesity and diabetes. Additionally, morning exercise can also help to boost your metabolism, which can help to increase your energy levels throughout the day. In summary, morning workouts can have a wide range of benefits for your health, including regulating your body's sleep-wake cycle, improving cardiovascular health, promoting weight loss and overall health, and improving mood and energy levels. So, it is important to make exercise a morning priority in your daily routine.